Hello and welcome to my home, Adelaide. Tomorrow I'll be heading to Melbourne, where I'll catch QantasLink's inaugural A220 flight to Canberra. This aircraft is set to revolutionise regional travel in Australia. I'm excited to be one of the first passengers to experience it. Let's go! I booked the earliest flight out of Adelaide this morning, arriving in Melbourne at 7:45 AM, which will give me about 2 hours to connect to my A220 flight. The journey was smooth and we touched down in Melbourne on time. Melbourne Airport has 4 terminals. All domestic Qantas and QantasLink flights depart from Terminal 1. The terminal has undergone a significant upgrade of its retail and other general facilities. Some of the dining outlets have reopened, including a very stylish Hungry Jack's. The central food court is installed with floor-to-ceiling windows, which are perfect for plane spotting. Qantas operates 3 lounges at this terminal. They all share the same entrance. Upon taking the escalators up, the Qantas Club is situated on the right-hand side, welcoming Qantas Club members, Qantas Gold and One World Sapphire members. The invitation-only Chairman's Lounge is discreetly located behind the doors marked Private. And the Business Lounge is on the left, open to business class passengers, Qantas Platinum and above, and One World Emerald members. The Business Lounge features floor-to-ceiling windows along its entire length, providing sweeping views of the apron. From here, I could clearly see my aircraft. This lounge can accommodate up to 350 people. There's a range of seating options, including benches for working, booths for dining, and other seats for relaxing. The dark, luxurious tones and sophisticated finishes reflect the chic urban feel of Melbourne. For those needing to freshen up, there are several private shower suites stocked with organic shower products and a variety of toiletries. The breakfast buffet is available until around 11 to 11:30 AM. The food is on the basic side. There are usually baked beans, scrambled eggs, sausages, yogurts, fruits, deli meats, salads, and bread. One highlight for me is a fruit juice machine, as I enjoy making myself a glass of carrot juice. In the heart of the lounge, there's a bar serving barista-style coffee throughout the day, as well as tap and bottled beer, spirits, and Australian wines from midday onwards. Overall, as many would agree, this is the best domestic business lounge in Australia. After over 2 months of crew training, today marks the first day that Qantas puts its A220 into revenue service. Qantas has ordered 29 A220-300 aircraft and has received 2 so far. The first A220 features a striking livery design and is the 6th aircraft to join Qantas's Flying Art series, which has showcased Aboriginal art since 1995. The aircraft is named after an artwork that tells the dreaming story of 2 sisters journeying across remote Australia, covering vast distances to find their way home. I had been really hoping to fly on this aircraft today, but unfortunately, this second A220 that Qantas received, painted in the regular QantasLink livery, will be the one that flies me to Canberra. Boarding for Qantas domestic flights typically begins 20 minutes before departure. I headed to the gate early to see if Qantas held any special ceremony. Well, aside from some aviation enthusiasts taking photos of the plane, there wasn't much else happening.
Hello everyone, we'd now like to invite our business customers, Qantas and Emirates Platinum 1, Platinum and Gold, Together with one more panel and set by customers.
How are you today?
Qantas Inflight
That's good.
1266 to Canberra.
Fantastic.
To board now
Fantastic.
by
Very
premium
good.
boarding lane located on the left-hand side.
Starting today, the two A220s will be flying between Melbourne and Canberra, as well as Melbourne and Brisbane. And more routes will be added as additional A220s join the fleet.
You say welcome on. Do you mind if I get you saying welcome on board and I'll just...
Hello, welcome on board. Hi there.
Hello.
Welcome on board. We'll be flying to Canberra today. Thank you.
Yes.
Window 9 on the right.
Thank you. Hello there, sir. Welcome.
This QantasLink A220 has a total of 137 seats. At the front are 10 business class seats in a 2-2 configuration, with 3 rows on the right side of the cabin and 2 on the left side. Each seat has a pitch of 37 inches and a width of 23.9 inches, which is quite comparable to the Qantas Boeing 737 business seats, but with a more modern touch. The economy class is arranged in a 3-2 configuration. All standard seats have a pitch of 30 inches. Due to one fewer row of business class seats on the left side, Qantas utilized the additional space to create extra legroom seats in rows 4 to 9 on that side of the cabin. I chose seat 9A. This extra legroom seat is complimentary for Platinum 1 and Chairman's Lounge members, while for everyone else it is $30. In return, my seat had a pitch of 34 inches.
Welcome on board. It's great to have you with us.
Additionally, seats 4D, 4E, 4F, as well as the seats in row 12 are extra legroom seats too. To celebrate this inaugural service, everyone received a special gift bag upon boarding.
Today you are on a historic flight. It's our first inaugural flight of this particular aircraft, servicing QantasLink A220. We have 29 of these aircraft on order, which are gradually replacing our ageing Boeing 717 fleet. We do hope you enjoy your flight with us today, so please sit back, relax, let us take care of you as you enjoy your place in history, making QantasLink the very first aircraft and airline to fly the A220 in Australia. Good morning and welcome on board.
The A220s will be replacing the aging Boeing 717s in the QantasLink fleet. With a range of up to 6,390 kilometers, they are capable of flying non-stop between any 2 destinations in Australia. The A220 is a clean sheet design, bringing together state-of-the-art aerodynamics, advanced materials, and the latest generation technologies. It has the largest windows of any single-aisle aircraft, providing a superb view of the scenery outside. Now let's take a more detailed look at my seat. All economy class seats are 18 inches wide. My height is 6'1". The extra legroom allows me to fully stretch out my legs. The seat can recline 5 inches, and the 6-way adjustable headrest provides great neck support. At the back of the seat, there's a drop-down tablet holder with an anti-slip mat, perfect for streaming videos on your personal device. Next to it are both USB-C and USB-A ports to keep your electronic devices charged. There's also a universal power plug shared between every 2 seats. Qantas has chosen not to install seatback screens in both business and economy class. Instead, they offer free high-speed in-flight Wi-Fi. To connect, simply select Qantas free Wi-Fi in settings and you'll be connected after watching a short ad. The Wi-Fi speed is fast enough for streaming Netflix and watching YouTube videos. Alternatively, you can stream a selection of movies and TV shows provided by Qantas by using the Qantas Entertainment app on your device. The app offers over 2,500 hours of content to choose from. If you don't have an electronic device, you can still enjoy your flight by browsing through the monthly published Qantas magazine. The flight time to Canberra is around 45 minutes. I received a small snack along with a choice of tea, coffee, water, juice and soft drinks. If your flight departs after 12 PM or is over 2.5 hours long and departs after 9 AM, wine and beer are also available at no extra cost. The Airbus A220 has 3 toilets, one at the front for business class passengers and there's another 2 at the back of the aircraft. As expected, the toilet is modern and quite spacious. I found a vacant standard seat towards the back of the aircraft. While the legroom isn't as generous as mine, it's certainly tolerable for a short flight like this.
Hello everyone, the captain switched on the fasten seatbelts under preparation for landing as we are also experiencing some mild turbulence. It's now time for your flight attendants to take their seats. All customers and crew must now be seated with seatbelts firmly fastened.
Shortly after the snack service, it's already time for landing. In general, the A220 is a fantastic aircraft to fly on. It features the same 3 2-configured economy seats as the Boeing 717, meaning there are fewer dreadful middle seats than the Boeing 737. The A220's cabin is lined with special insulation and sound-deadening materials, making it much quieter than the previous generation aircraft. There are currently 4 airlines offering direct flights between Melbourne and Canberra. Without checked baggage, the lowest economy fare I could find with Jetstar is $77, Virgin's light fare is $99, Choice fare is $119, Rex with checked baggage is $115, and Qantas is $169. Whether it's worth paying the extra money to fly with Qantas is a personal decision, but I thoroughly enjoyed this flight and can't really fault anything.
All of us here at QantasLink and One World, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us and being part of this historic inaugural flight of QantasLink A220 Melbourne to Canberra. If you are visiting Canberra, we hope you enjoy your stay. And of course, for those returning, welcome home. Hello everyone, you can clap. It's inaugural flight, well done, thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more flight and train reviews. See you all in my next video.